Hi, my name is Tracy, and today I'll be covering Protozoan Identification. This is from Chapter 4, Question 2. Name the groups of protozoa and explain the characteristics which lead to their identification. What are protozoas? Protozoa are eukaryotic, microscopic, single-celled, animal-like organisms that lack a true cell wall. Rather, their protoplasts are protected by a special thin, pliable layer called a pellicle or a periplast. They exhibit asexual and sexual reproduction and typically live by heterotrophic means, which translates to them being decomposers because they feed off of other animals in order to satisfy their cellular needs and obtain energy. These unicellular organisms come in different shapes and forms and live in a wide variety of moist habitats, including freshwater, marine environments, and the soil. Protozoa are part of the kingdom Protista. Protozoas are identified by their characteristics. Amoeboid protozoas use false feet. These are extensions of the cytoplasm called pseudopods, in which they use for movement. Many amoeboid protozoans are free-living and they don't need a host. Flagellated protozoas have one or more flagella for motility. Flagella are long thread-like structures that extend from the cell surface and move in whip-like motions that produce waves. These waves propel the microbe around for movement. These protozoans include free-living organisms such as Euglena and parasitic organisms such as Trichomonas vaginalis and Giardia lamblia, which are all human pathogens. Ciliated protozoa. These ciliated protozoas have tiny hair-like appendages called cilia. They use these cilia for motility. These cilia beat in a regular continuous pattern like little flexible oars. These ciliates are common in aquatic environments and include diverse species from free-living paramecium species to parasites like Bacillium coli. This is the only ciliated protozoan known to cause human disease when the host ingests the cyst form through contaminated food or water. Spore-forming protozoa. These spore-forming protozoas, or sporozoa, is one of the largest phyla of protozoans. In their mature form, they have no flagella, no cilia, no pseudopodia. Instead, these spore-forming protozoa move by gliding. Most sporozoa are intracellular parasites with complex life cycles that include sexual and asexual stages. In general, the spore-forming protozoas go through three phases: morogony, gamogony, and sporogony. Protozoas reproduce asexually and sexually. In asexual reproduction, the most common form is called binary fission. And in binary fission, the organism duplicates its cell parts and then it divides itself into two separate organisms. Two other forms of asexual reproduction is called budding and schizogony. In sexual reproduction, the protozoa is involved in meiotic division. Sexual union between two haploid nuclei results in diploid zygotic nucleus in which meiosis takes place. The information from this presentation was brought to you by the works cited listed here. Thank you.